One of the things that made Art Prize 8 in Grand Rapids, Michigan so fascinating to me were the people involved. The level of cooperation across town to display art and create a venue for people to come and appreciate it, making this the largest public display of art anywhere in the world. It was truly fascinating and put me in mind of the connection between art and humans. My son and I spent quite a bit of time talking about this piece by Amber Zakala that she titled Intertwined. Each face representing another ethnicity or background in our country, and behind it, the shadows of the branches of a tree. It spoke to us about the connections between us that we too frequently refuse to acknowledge. Hi, you're working on it now?
Yes, I am painting throughout Art Prize. I'm painting a time-based mural, and I started when Art Prize started.
Oh, did you? Oh, wow. So you're going to continue through Sunday?
Yes. Well, I might get done before that, but
Okay.
well, it depends on the weather.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I'm telling all the images you see in the mural are stories that people like you have told me.
Oh, really?
So I'm asking the public to share stories with me, and that's why I'm painting it live.
Oh, wow. That's an awesome idea. And what's your name?
Anna.
Anna?
Donahue.
Again?
Anna Donahue.
Anna Donahue.
I've had people tell me dreams they've had, memories, important parts of their lives. Every image has some kind of a story attached to it.
These two exhibits represented the stories that we often never have the opportunity to hear, and the connections to those stories and to the people in them that we all too often don't acknowledge. As I walk through the galleries and I look at the pictures, I think about the untold stories, about the unacknowledged people. And I was pleased to see yet another exhibit, this by Bill Tite, that chose to acknowledge and celebrate. Another art installment representing the diversity of America and the background of the wolves.